Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh from Group 4. So our concept of innovative green technology for local communities is transit elevated bus, also known as trading bus. So transit elevated bus is a bus concept where a guided bus travels over a road traffic. So as you can see in the picture, the bus kind of like hovers over the road and it doesn't interfere the road traffic. Trading bus is a cheaper, greener and faster alternative compared to a regular bus. In terms of electricity, the setting is called relay direct current electrification because the bus itself is a electrical conductor, two rails built on top to allow the charging posts run along with the bus. So why exactly do we need transit elevated bus in every country? Traffic congestion is a common issue. It will have an impact on country's economy since the people may spend a significant amount of time travelling to and from work, so it wastes time and productivity. The traffic road will congested on special occasions such as Festival Hari Raya, Labor Days and so on. As a result, we propose an idea for modern bus that can help reduce traffic congestion. The next is air pollution. With the increase of population of urban and growing figures between the road network and number of vehicles, this will lead to air pollution. This is because vehicles use fuel to move and it emits carbon monoxide, which is the most abundant of the criteria pollutants. So the travelling bus is an efficient public transport system because it is powered by electrical and solar energy. So how does it work? The transit elevated bus travels above the road and it is running on the tracks that are fixed on both sides of the street. The bus has two parts, which are the upper part and lower part. The upper part of the bus will be used to carry passengers. However, the lower part of the bus is a hollow space to allow other vehicles to pass through, so the bus will travel and not blocking the way of other vehicles. So the next features or concept of transit elevated bus. The first one is in terms of power supply. The bus is a public transport which is powered by electricity and solar energy. To make sure that the bus has enough power to run, top of the bus may be incorporated with solar panels, and the bus station will also be incorporated with solar panels to partially power the bus. In terms of capacity and speed, the capacity of the bus is about 350 passengers, and 4 transit elevated bus can link up into a connected train that carries over 1,400 passengers. Aside from that, the bus can travel at top speed of 60 km per hour. The bus will also have sensors. The bus will equip with alarms to alert drivers who are approaching too closely and signal to inform other vehicles when it's going to make a turn. The sensors will also prevent it from colliding with a person or an object.
Of trading bus. Firstly, the highlight innovation of the transit elevated bus is that it runs above car and under overpasses. Its biggest strength is saving road spaces. Next, this bus is eco-friendly. Bus is powered by electricity and solar energy generated by panel in its roof. It also helps reduce air pollution by using this kind of power source. After that, reduce traffic jam. One bus can carry up to 300 passengers. This bus can run up to 4 carriers at one time, estimate about 1,200 passengers at a time. This futuristic vehicle can solve both the problem caused by road pollution and traffic jam. Finally, transit trading bus have several features and functions that are almost like subways. It is reasonable compare between elevated bus and subways. The typical cost of construction of a subway are approximately $100 million per kilometer, compared to construction of the transit elevated bus are estimated to be $20 million per kilometer. In conclusion, it is safe to say that trading bus costs less than subway.
Moving on to disadvantages of the trading bus. Only vehicles of a certain height would be able to pass underneath the bus. Since the lanes for the elevated bus is limited to passenger vehicles no more than 2.2 meters, local buses, vans and trucks are not able to pass underneath. Thus, we would have to reconstruct roads for the taller vehicles, which is the second point. This is to prevent accidents from happening. Next, the roads would have to be wide and straight since the straddling bus cannot take sharp turns. Lastly, since it uses electricity to move, charging will be a problem. If there were any technical issues to happen, 350 passengers would be stuck 15.7 feet in the air in the middle of a highway. Thank you.